In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and execute a trade on the Plus500 platform. Whether you're a beginner or just need a bit of guidance, this step-by-step walkthrough will make it all clear and straightforward for you. First off, let's get started by opening your browser and heading to app.plus500.com. When you land on the dashboard, you're greeted by an overview of your trading account information right across the top bar. Here, you'll find all the essential details like your available balance, equity, margin in use, and your current profit or loss. Keeping track of these numbers lets you stay informed about where you stand in your trading journey at any given moment. Now, let's move on to choosing an instrument to trade. Look over to the left sidebar and click on Trade. This is where the excitement begins. You'll be presented with a range of categories that you can choose from, such as Popular, which showcases trending markets, or more specific categories like forex for currency pairs including EUR/USD and GBP/USD, shares for stocks like Apple, Tesla, and Microsoft, commodities for assets like gold, oil, and silver, and crypto for digital currencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum. Browse through the list in the middle section and click on the instrument that catches your interest. Once you've made your selection, you'll notice two key prices displayed: the sell price on the left and the buy price on the right. Ready to dive into the trade? Click buy if you're anticipating that the price will rise. If you think it might fall, click sell. Doing so will bring up the order window, a useful pop-up that helps you set up the trade details meticulously. Here's where you refine the details of your trade inside the order window. You'll need to determine the amount, which refers to the size of your position. Don't worry about calculating the margin needed, as it shows up automatically. You can protect yourself from unfavorable market movements by setting a stop loss, or SL, to auto-close the trade if the price moves against you. Likewise, do set a take profit, or TP, to automatically close once your profit target is achieved. Leverage options might be available and are applied by default, but you do have the flexibility to adjust them according to your risk appetite and trading goals. Once you're satisfied with your setup, click on Open Position to place the trade. This action registers your trade, and you can find it by navigating to the Open Positions tab situated on the sidebar. Regularly monitor your open trades to ensure they align with your expectations. The Open Positions tab allows you to check your current profit or loss with live updates, see the entry price against the current price, and review your SL and TP settings. You're able to adjust these settings at any moment for more control over your trade. When you've decided it's time to close your trade, simply head over to Open Positions. Select the specific trade, click Close Position, and confirm your choice. Any result, whether profit or loss, gets added directly to your funds balance on the sidebar, updating your overall trading account status. And there you have it. A seamless process from start to finish, designed to help you confidently trade on Plus500.